We all know that if you have red or blue or yellow brake calipers, your car's way faster, or truck, way faster, brakes much better. That's not true. It just looks cool. That's it. Having painted red brake calipers is cool. I love it. Subscribe, like, share. I like you. How about you like me? But here's how to do it without actually taking them off. You just leave them right on there. You don't have to take anything off. All right, so you do have to take the tire off. You cannot do this with the wheel and tire on. You can. It'll look terrible. But take the wheel and tire off. Then you have to clean the caliper. Now this is the caliper. This is a diagram cutout view of a caliper. It's like a side cut view of caliper. That outside part is the caliper. That's the only part. How many times can we say caliper? You don't want paint on anything but the caliper in the brake region. So, simply said, just mask the crap out of the rest of it. Well, there's two different ways to do that. You can, if you're going to spray paint it, then you got to mask the crap out of everything, which is easy. You just tuck paper towels in there, or newspaper, or trash bags, anything that paint will not penetrate. You do not want penetration. In this case, some cases you want penetration, but in this case you don't want penetration. Or they make special brake caliper paint that comes in a can with a just like painting your wall. You can use a brush. Duplicolor makes one. A bunch of people make them. And I don't know. I'm no chemist, but I know it's not good to just use regular spray paint or regular paint. You got to use. I like to use like VHT paint. I've painted brake calipers a lot, so I've had good results with using high temperature paint, which is normally for headers or exhaust. I don't know. They're the chemists. They formulated it perfectly. Otherwise, it tends to just chip off or fall off because your calipers get kind of hot. And then this is it. It looks cool. I did gray on an old truck on the '76 Suburban. I just did gunmetal gray or machine gray, and then red here. This was the old H3. I'm gonna go get some meat from Ralph's. So that's it. Now your car's really fast. All right, subscribe, thumbs up. Appreciate you watching.